How you doing? I'm Captain Casey Prisco, owner of Dirty Goose Sportfishing. I have a 3-boat fleet that we fish Lake Ontario for salmon, trout, and walleye. Our operation starts in Mexico Bay, which is on the eastern end of Lake Ontario, about 10 minutes from the famous Salmon River in Pulaski, New York. Beginning of March, we're going to look for brown trout and lake trout then. After that, we come to Wilson, New York for the most epic spring king bite that you could imagine. The salmon fishing in Wilson for the month of May it's just something to see. If you haven't seen it, you should really come to Wilson and check it out. Go back to Mexico Bay, June through September, and it's going to be salmon, brown trout, steelhead, and lake trout. And our season ends roughly October, middle of October, depending on the conditions. Sometimes we run into November if we have a warm fall. I have 5 captains that work for me. We all carry a 6-pack license, which allows us to take up to 6 people on our boats. You can have 2 captains on one boat and still only 6 people that we can take. All boats are equipped with Garmin electronics, latest updates, latest gear, Canon rod holders and downriggers, which in my opinion are the best on the market. You can't beat them. They make my job so much easier having them.
Come on here, Casey.
Things just got serious. We're deploying the bullfrog with the Dirty Goose Twinkies. We've got less than a half hour looking for a 20+ pound fish, and it's gonna happen.
All right, here we go.
Fish hawk, you need to have a probe to know your speed, depth, at temperature. Gibbs Delta, Stinger, all these products make my life so much easier. Shimano, AFCO, there's just so much great stuff out there that these companies help us out with that, you know what, if you really follow me and you want to check some things out, look at my sponsors and give them a chance to show you what they can do for you, because they have some great products. If you're lucky enough, this is Cooper. He comes on all my charters. He's my German short-hair pointer who loves to go fishing, and he's right now he's paying attention to some fish at the dock, so he's going, but that's my buddy. If you'd like to find out more about Dirty Goose Sport Fishing, we have a website, www.dirtygoose-sportfishing.com. Our Facebook page is Dirty Goose Sport Fishing. We give a detailed report every single day. Even if you're not chartering with us, we love to help people catch fish. My messenger, you can message me if you're on the water and struggling or want to know something, get a hold of us. You can text me or call me, 845-234-5024 is my contact information. See you on the water, guys.